magical garden.
Today we're going to be making the most amazing gooey eggs. I'm Maximo.
And I'm Yana.
Today we're going to be using some eggs, wholemeal bread, butter and salt. We're also going to have 3 plates with some egg holders and some cutlery.
First, let's start by filling up the pan. Make sure to never use hot water because hot water has copper in it. We're going to take the saucepan back to the stove. We'll now put some salt in. Make sure to be careful when you turn on the stove and get your parents' help when you do this. This can be quite tricky. Make sure to put the eggs very carefully so that you don't get any water on yourself and they don't crack. Our gooey eggs are now ready.
Let's take them out.
Every gooey egg needs some soldiers.
Today we're going to be using the wholemeal bread for this toast.
Now we're going to butter our soldiers.
This is taking some time. Let's fast forward.
Let's see if our gooey eggs are running. Let's take a taste test. Good job.
Kristen's magical garden.